ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं स्प्रें मदक्षमर्यूं मदं साक्षमर्वीं सौः स्वरूपनिरूपणे हेतवेतु गुरुवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बासहितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरुपादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः हंसशिवसोऽहं मत्प्रें मदक्षमर्वयों मदं साक्षमर्वयीं सहोः स्वरूपनिरूपणहेतवेतु गुरुवे श्री अन्नपूर्णाम्बासहितं श्री अमृतानन्दनाथ सरस्वती श्रीगुरुपादुकां पूजयामि तर्पयामि नमः। शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं तजिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तयेत् गजाननपद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानां एकदन्तोपास्महे गणानां त्वा गणपतिं गवामहे कविं कवीनाम् उपमत्रवस्तमं ज्येष्ठराजं ब्रह्मणां ब्रह्मणस्पत आडशृण्वन्नोतिभिस्सेदसादनम् ॐ श्रीमन्महागणाधिपते नमः। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानये स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानये स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वसमानये स्वाहा। ॐ श्रीं ह्रीं क्लीं ग्लौं गं गणपतिये वरवरद सर्वजनं मे वशमानये स्वाहा। खड्गमाला ह्रीङ्कारातनगर्भिता नरधिकां सौः क्लीं कणां बिभ्रतीं सौवर्णाम्बरधारिणीं वरदुधादौ तां त्रिनेत्रोज्ज्वलां वन्दे पुस्तकपासमङ्कुशधरां सृग्भूषितामुज्ज्वलां त्वां गौरीं त्रिपुरां परात्परकलां श्रीचक्रसञ्चारिणीम् अस्य श्रीशुद्धशक्तिमाला महामन्त्रस्य उपस्थेन्द्रियाधिष्ठायी वरुणादित्यर्षि दैवी गायत्री छन्दसात्वककारभट्टारकपीठस्थितकामेश्वराङ्गनिलया महाकामेश्वरी देवता ऐं बीजं क्लीं शक्ति सौः कीलकं मम खड्गसिद्ध्यर्थे सदभीष्टसिद्ध्यर्थे जपे विनियोगः। ऐं अङ्गुष्ठाभ्यां नमः क्लीं तज्जनेभ्यः नमः सौः मध्यमाभ्यः नमः सौः अनामिकाभ्यः नमः क्लीं कनिष्ठिकाभ्यः नमः ऐं करतलकरपृष्ठाभ्यः नमः ऐं हृदयाय नमः क्लीं शिरसे स्वाहा सौः शिखाय सौः कवचाय हुं क्लीं नेत्रत्रयाय वौ षट् ऐं अस्राय फट् भूभुवः ॐ इति दिग्बन्धः। ध्यानम् ॐ तादृशं खड्गमाप्नोति येन हस्तस्थितेन वै अष्टादशमाद्वीपा सम्राट् भोक्ता भविष्यति। आरक्ताभं त्रिनेत्रां मरणमवसरां रत्नदाटङ्करम्यां हस्ताम्बोजैतपाताङ्कुशमदनदनुत्सायिकैर्स्फुरं तीमापीनोत्तुङ्ग वक्षोरः कलतुरटत्तारहारोज्ज्वलाङ्गीं ध्यायेत् अम्बोर्हस्तां मरणवसनाम् ईश्वरीम् ईश्वराणां लमित्यादिपञ्चपूजां कुर्यात् यथाशक्तिमूलमन्त्रं जपेत्। क एहि लह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सकलह्रीं लं पृथिव्यात्मने सत्सङ्गं गन्धं कल्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं क एहि लह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सकलह्रीं हम् आकाशात्मने इन्द्रियनिग्रहं पुष्पं कल्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं क एहि लह्रीं मदगैलह्रीं सकलह्रीं यं वायव्यात्मने हरिशर्वगविसर्जनं धूपं कल्पयामि ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं कैलह्रीं वदगैलह्रीं हरीं रं तेजस्तत्त्वाग्निने चित्कलादीपं कल्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः कैलह्रीं वदगैलह्रीं हरीं वं अमृततत्त्वात्मने शिवशक्तिसामरस्यं नैवेद्यं कल्पयामि नमः। ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं कैलह्रीं वदगैलह्रीं हरीं संकारात्मने मनोलयम् आनन्दकर्पूरनीराजनं कल्पयामि नमः। All of you recite with me. ऐं क्लीं सौः सौः क्लीं ऐं 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 Aim Gleam Zozo Gleam my Gleam Zozo Gleam my Gleam Zozo Gleam my Aim Gleam Zozo Gleam my Gleam Zozo Gleam my Gleam Zozo Gleam my I'm Gleam Zozo Gleam my Gleam Zozo Gleam my Gleam Zozo Gleam my I'm Gleam Zozo Gleam my ॐ ऐं ह्रीं श्रीं ऐं क्लीं सौः ॐ नमः त्रिपुरसुन्दरी हृदयदेवी शिरोदेवी शिखादेवी कवचदेवी नेत्रदेवी अस्त्रदेवी कामेश्वरी भगमालिनी नित्यग्लिन्ने भेरुण्डे वक्निवादने महावज्रेश्वरी शिवदूती त्वरिते कुलसुन्दरी नित्ये नीलपताके विजये सर्वमङ्गले ज्वालामालिनी चित्रे महानिद्ये परमेश्वर परमेश्वरी मित्रेशमयि षष्ठीशमयि उड्डीशमयि चर्यानाथमयि लोपामुद्रामयि अगस्त्यमयि कालतापरमयि धर्माचार्यमयि मुक्तकीर्तीश्वरमयि दीपकलानाथमयि विष्णुदेवमयि प्रभाकरदेवमयि तेजोदेवमयि मनोजदेवमयि कल्याणदेवमयि वासुदेवमयि रत्नदेवमयि श्रीरामानन्दमयि अणिमासिद्धे लघिमासिद्धे गरिमासिद्धे महिमासिद्धे सिद्धिसिद्धे वसिद्धिसिद्धे प्राकामसिद्धे भुक्तिसिद्धे इच्छासिद्धे प्राप्तिसिद्धे सर्वकामसिद्धे ब्राह्मी माहेश्वरी कौमारी वैष्णवी वाराही माहेन्द्री चामुण्डे महालक्ष्मी सर्वसंक्षोभणी सर्वविद्रावणी सर्वाकर्षणी सर्वशङ्करी सर्वोन्मादिनी सर्वमहाङ्कुशे सर्वखेचरी सर्वबीजे सर्वयोने सर्वत्रिखण्डे त्रैलोक्यमोनचक्रस्वामिनि प्रकटयोगिनी कामाकर्षणी बुद्ध्याकर्षणी अहङ्काराकर्षणी शब्दाकर्षणी स्पन्दाकर्षणी रूपाकर्षणी रसाकर्षणी गन्धाकर्षणी चित्ताकर्षणी धैर्याकर्षणी स्मृत्याकर्षणी नामाकर्षणी बीजाकर्षणी आत्माकर्षणी अमृताकर्षणी शरीराकर्षिणी सर्वासा परिभोजकृस्वामनुयुक्तयोगिनी अनङ्गकुसुमे अनङ्गमेखले अनङ्गमदने अनङ्गमदनातुरे अनङ्गरेखे अनङ्गवेगिनी अनङ्गाङ्कुशे अनङ्गमालिनी सर्वसंक्षोभणचक्रस्वामिनि गुप्ततरयोगिनी. So up to that, we recited, we learned how to pronounce, and now we are coming to Ananga Kusumas, Ananga Devatas. As I told you, these are very difficult to handle because as you go forward, you find it with her grace, everything is easy. Without her grace, even breathing becomes difficult, right? Very normal thing, breathing becomes difficult. That's when we are put on ventilator. Yes or no? So I need her. But with her grace, everything is simple, but without her. So as you move forward, Ananga Devatas karmi. Ananga means they don't have form. But being formless, they have abundant power. Each of them, we have, if you go to the direct meaning, Ananga Kusume, flower of love. Ananga Mekhale. Mekhale means the waistband they tie around just above the thigh, girdle of love. Ananga Madane, the desire. Ananga Madanature, lust. Ananga Rekhe, streamlining. Ananga Vegini, cute, very anxious to fulfill your desire. Ananga Ankushe, you are more anxious, though more problems are coming, you're not happy with the progress, you feel the pricking. Ankusha. Anangamalini. Then finally the union happens. But before that, these are the Ananga Devata. First is love, flower of love. So there is this blooming. The desire comes. I need. This should not be misunderstood with desire means normally our thoughts go for physical desire. No, any desire. Having a TV, desire. Having a satsang, it's my desire. Attending a satsang, it's your desire. But if you log on from 1 o'clock, Aranga Madanature, you're curious. But satsang is going to start only at 3 o'clock. What's the use? And from 1 o'clock, it hasn't started. This is Ananga Ankushe, pain. And finally, when 3 o'clock, we say, Om Ananga Malini, I'm with Guru. In the small sector, we're experiencing Ananga Devatas. What more simple explanation we can give? Ananga girdle, Ananga Ananga Kusumi, Ananga Kusume, Ananga Mekhale. It gives you discipline. There's a line of boundaries. Okay, desire is, I'm the one who has given. But you need to follow certain rules, discipline, girdle. Within that, that's fine. But you don't, again, okay, I'll follow your rules. Then again, she teases you. Ananga Madane. You feel like crossing that girdle. She watches. Fun. I told you not to cross. But you said you don't cross. Because in the name of desire, you lost your balance. And you forgot me. Because you forgot, the line has been erased. The girdle is no longer there. Then it comes to various impurities. Anangamadane, Anangamadanature. Then again, of course, she is mother. She pushes you back onto the road. Anangarekhe. This is the path. My child, go slow. Everything I'll fulfill for you. But this fellow doesn't hear. The mind is pushing him towards the desire. So even though Ananga Rekhe comes, Ananga Vegini, let my child get married very quickly in this year to an IT guy who is a CEO of the company, which is 1 crore income within my district circle, preferably not having parents. This is our prayer, right? This is Ananga Vegini. Then she says, Ananga Ankushe, chup. I told, follow the girdle. Desire is natural. But you are going unnatural and putting so many conditions and anxious. Just pray to mother, let my child be happy. Don't even pray that my child has to get married soon. There is no soon word in her dictionary. Everything happens at the right time. Many elders say, Sigrameva Kalyana Praptirastu. Who am I to say? Instead, ask your elders to bless. Sat Kalyana Praptirastu. Sigrameva Kalyana, some Dominic and Harry comes. That's all. Next day, the same scene. No peace. So, Sat Kalyana Praptirastu, whatever happens, whenever happens, that's fine. Sat Santana Praptirastu. That is not having the Vegam. Ananga Vegini, Anangangushe, finally with her grace, Anangama. This is, of course, the literal meaning. Now let's come to the Ashtapashas. Can all of you write down? It is not just a pravachan. I told you in the beginning, even after this Lalita Sahasranama, we are going to start. I want all of you to have a book. And this book is your life. And note down the point. Whenever I say, please note down. Because most of the pravachan, it goes from here, comes out, right? That's why we are not able to. This you need to read and read and read and read. So what are the Ashtapashas? Grana. I'll tell you the meanings. Grina. Shanka. Grina. Shanka. Bhaya. Bhaya, Lajja, Grina, Senka, Bhaya, Lajja, Jugupsa, Grina, Shenka, Bhayam, Lajja, Jugupsa. I'll tell you the meanings later. Sanskrit word. Grina means angry because of an insult. Somebody insults you, you get angry. That anger is a passion. Not all the angers. Somebody insults you. This is the main thing. Grina. Shanka. Doubt. And the doubt causes depression. Doubt about the future only causes depression, right? Oh, what about my future? And you don't see anything because you don't know about your future. Who said nobody knows about your future? So it causes depression. You are fearing about something which you don't know about. That is a depression, right? So, Grina, Shanka. Then, Bhaya. Of course, Bhaya is fear. And Lajja, feeling ashamed. Lajja in the normal sense is good. Ya Devi Sarvabhuteshu. Lajja Rupena Samstha. Namastasai, 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 Namo Namaha. As long as I am feeling ashamed to tell a lie, to hurt somebody, to show my anger, to be selfish, I'm protected. But if I'm ashamed of my personality, if I'm ashamed of my poverty, of my situation, of my helplessness, this is what is a passion. I'm ashamed. I don't want to meet the people. I want loneliness because I'm afraid of meeting. I compare always myself with the other person. It's a beautiful Ananga, that is why Sarva Sankshobhana Chakra Swamini. All the Lakshmis, I think this whole Ananga Kusuma may take 3 days, if you pardon me, for explanation, because so much is there in this. You're okay with that? Or you want to finish and then jump to Lalita Sahasranamam? So, I'm afraid to go and meet. Trust me, this particular portion is going to help all of us, including me, if you just study this portion like your life. Is going to help me to face people. I have so many people who have this difficulty. I'm afraid to face people because I feel I'm inferior to them. I'm afraid to face people because I may get jealous of their happiness. I'm afraid to face people, but because they may insult me because I suffered insults many times before. I'm afraid because I'm not beautiful. I'm afraid because I don't have a good dress to wear. So many reasons. It's all lajja. So you just hide yourself in a corner of a room, feeling always. So all the messages I'm going to answer. Whoever is sending message. So then, jugupsa. Again, another form of hatred. Jugupsa means hatred. I don't like. No, I avoid. Suppose I don't like Ashok Tambe. Of course, I like him. He's the most favorite critic in Facebook. Every time he and my Ashwini Gopalakrishnan, they are top fans. That's what they call. So, but for example, I don't like Ashok Tambe. It's okay, I don't like, but I hate him. That means the name Ashok. Oh, Ashok Tambe? No, 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 no. Ashok Chauhan. I thought Ashok Tambe. The beginning itself leading to that person. That much hatred. So I tried to avoid. Jugupsa means that is one. That much hatred. I don't want to meet any person who doesn't have any bhakti. That is also hatred. Oh my God. I don't want materialistic people. Do you think that's a good? No, that's hatred. You're, that way, I always tell, trust me, in spirituality, there are only two marks: 0, 100. 0, 100. By, for any reason, if you go away from any person willfully, I'm not saying you hug everybody. No, that is not possible. But don't avoid. I may not like Sonia, but Sonia says hello. I should say, hi, Sonia. Good that you called me. Action, that's fine. Over a period of time, it develops an attitude in me that I like everybody, irrespective of what is past. It's good for me. So, jugupsa is a most dangerous thing. Most of us have. We thought, oh no, I don't hate anybody. But if I am avoiding something, please, auntie, come for my birthday party. I'm away. No, 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 no. I'm against all these parties. I don't like this party. This is my time for reciting Lalitas now. No. One time, two time. And then they say, I don't like birthday parties. This is jugupsa, type of jugupsa, hatred. I cannot hate anything in this creation. So, um, what did I say? Jugupsa. Then, jati. Jati means I'm a human being, race. Jati means um, feeling inferior or superior. With due respect to you, I'm a white person. You're a black person. We see that. Oh, you're a South Asian person. I'm belonging to other side of the world. This is also one pasha. I'm passionate about my race. And if you extend further, I look down on small size animals, small size insects. That's also passion. Then kulam. Kulam is caste. Because it is based on Hindu principle, and Hindu principle has got varnashrama. That means even other foreign cultures also these are there, but they don't point out openly that is varnashrama. You have a barber, you have a cook, you have a cobbler who does only cobbler, stitching the shoes. But everything is one unit there, but we are calling them by name. This particular section is Shudra. This particular section is Kshatriya, the one who rules. Governors, senators, president. These are our Kshatriyas. We don't have kings nowadays in most of the country. We do have that Varnam. And the one learned person, they are all Brahmins. But we identify and isolate them, that's a problem. So the isolating myself in the name of a caste is a passion. Oh, I'm a Brahmin. I don't touch you. Who is untouchable? For him, you are untouchable. For you, he is untouchable. Both are correct. In the name of caste, I am dissociating myself. That is also a passion. Then, of course, the last one is very controversial one. Sheelam. Sheelam means a chastity. Like society has provided certain rules, and I have problem in understanding the rules. And by misunderstanding those rules and attributing only to the body and confining myself to what is called Sheelam, Sheelam is not chastity. Sheelam is not having the virginity. No. Gunashila. Sheelam is not telling lies. Sheelam is not hurting others. But Sheelam, we just isolate and then say that no. And then దేశకాల పరిస్థితులను బట్టి ధర్మం మారుతుంది. Based on the situation, time and place, the dharma changes and manodharma is the highest. Unfortunately, I'm not able to adapt myself to the manodharma sthiti and I'm tied by my so-called rules of the Sheelam. Then this Sheelam becomes a passion. If Rama said, as a Kshatriya, I cannot kill Wali from behind a tree, Ramayana would not have been there. Yes or no? Because nobody can beat Wali when they face directly. So, Manodharmam, Krishna, Bharata, Manodharmam, everything Manodharmam. So, unable to adapt myself to the situation in the name of a Sheelam or Manodharmam. Like Kabir's story, I told you, his wife goes to the Seth. I told you, some of the stories. So, do you call it a Sheelam or not Sheelam? Which one to follow? To give happiness to her husband or the other way? So everything is. So let us see one by one. Grina. That's the first one. Anger because of an insult. Anger out of insult. There are Ashtalakshmis. You know that? What are the names of Ashtalakshmi? Vidya Lakshmi, Dhairya Lakshmi, Dhana Lakshmi, Santan Lakshmi, Adi Lakshmi, Gaja Lakshmi, Dhanya Lakshmi. And I don't remember their name. That's why Vishalamma has wrote it for me. Because I don't go into that. Okay. Dhana Lakshmi, Dhanya Lakshmi, Gaja Lakshmi, Santan Lakshmi, Vijay Lakshmi, Gaja Lakshmi, Adi Lakshmi, Dhairya Lakshmi. What is an insult? Why it is caused? Go to the root. The problem is I have an opinion on myself. This is the problem. And if the other person doesn't honor that opinion, I feel I'm insulted. Agreed or not? If the other person doesn't honor that opinion, I am saying that I'm insulted. Who is at fault? Who asked you to have an opinion on you? Okay, you have it. But you have it. That doesn't mean that everybody should honor that opinion. The problem is, if you don't have an opinion also, you go to depression, shanka. Well, am I fit for this? Am I eligible for this? Constantly doubting yourself. That is again. So it's Srividya is a Asidhara Vratam, standing on a knife edge. If you put more pressure, your leg will be cut. If you stand lightly, you will fall down. How do? This is how. You should have an opinion, but not too much. So when the opinion is not honored, you feel insulted. The insult is caused by you, not by the outside. Did the person who wanted this message receive yes or no? Yes? I'm looking at that person. Okay. They wanted this message. Many people complain, oh, that person is insulting me, Guruji. What to do? How to escape from that person? No. Many people insult me on Facebook also. Oh, one more commercial. It's all bogus. Don't you see those messages? I don't even hide those messages. Just let the public decide. It's bogus or what. I'm not a scholar. I'm not God. I'm an ordinary person struggling to learn. I'm a learner. Let us all learn together. That's what I'll always say. So I don't care. What I am, I am. That will save. And who will give that? Vijaya Lakshmi is the one who controls this grina. I have a victory on my anger, victory on the insult from the world, and victory on my self confidence by being able to limit to such an extent that it doesn't go up to ego level. So, 3 victories: victory on my anger, victory in facing the insult from the other person, and victory in limiting my self confidence to such a level that it doesn't convert itself into ego. Or the other way around, humility. Extremes. The line, like a pendulum. This is ego, this is self humility. This is depression, this is high handedness. Where the time will stop at this point. This is Vijay Lakshmi. Right? So there's one more thing. I should not have an opinion on the world also. Now this side is, now I'm taking, we have taken fair. I should not have an opinion about myself. Even if I have, I should keep it myself. I cannot expect the world, which includes your husband, wife, child. Don't forget. World is, your family is also. Don't expect your husband to praise your recipe or cooking every day. He may not. It may be good for you. Don't expect him to praise, wow, you're struggling a lot for the family. You may think, but he may not think. That is choice. Don't say, I'm insulted by my husband or wife. No, it's your problem. It started with you. Now, let's come to the other side. I cannot have an opinion on the world because I want the world to be like this. Well, nowadays, the world is full of cheaters. We can't believe anybody, trust anybody, and allow them in our house, These people will talk like that in the outside. And goes inside and does Abhishekam to Rudra. Vanchate parivanchate sayunam pataye namo namo taskaranam pataye namo namo. Well, just now you scolded vanchate parivanchate. Please, let us not have any opinion on the world that it has to be like that. It can be anyways. This is my opinion. Then I will not have pain from the world. Why this Jyoti is behaving like this? Why Prasanna is behaving like this? My life cannot be wasted on these people. I'm sorry. Only these people, on the world. Right from the dawn to dusk, I'm only thinking about you. When I have time for thinking about myself and my sadhana. So, let us not have any opinion about the world. There is a small, not story, it's eye-opener. How you have to be. One fellow, he's always boasting. And he goes to his friend and he says, you know what? I went to a forest and I was just roaming around and I see a lion. And I aimed my gun. Before I could shoot, the lion laid an egg and then went out. This fellow can agree, you timid fellow, I can agree up to that point that you are about to shoot a lion. But lion laying an egg? No, it cannot. No, I have seen. Opinion. They fight. They ask the third person, Vinayaka from Shimoga. Dr. Vinayak, you tell, you know all the biology. The lion lays an egg. Vinayaka, because he doesn't have an opinion on the world, says, lion, animal king. It can do anything. Who am I to comment? There is no answer for this. It can do anything. It's king. I cannot comment. In the same way, it's a creation from my mother. How can I comment? I don't have any right to comment. Yes or no? So the grina happens because of my opinion and conditioned mind that the other should honor my opinion the same level as I am thinking, number one. And also my opinion about the world, whether I follow that rules for the world, that's a different thing. I may not follow. But I expect the world to follow. And this causes anger. And who blesses us? Vijaya Lakshmi. So you do Ashtalakshmi Puja. I'll also recite mantras for you. But don't expect Ashtalakshmis in the normal way you expect. Right? There is no kingdom outside to conquer. Gone are those days. Maybe in those days, Vijay Lakshmi is to conquer other kingdom. We have only one kingdom. Dil. Isko sambhalo. That winning over myself is Vijay Lakshmi. Winning over the anger. Shanka. The next one is Shanka. Yeah. And I always have doubt. And doubt about me leads to depression. I didn't have depression when I was 1 year old. Do I have? Because at that time, there is no milestone for me to achieve. And there is no knowledge or opinion about my strength. People have created milestones for me. My father said I had to become a collector because he couldn't become a collector. Parents, when they try to fulfill the unfulfilled desires through their children, that puts pressure on the children and puts them to depression. Agreed or not? Overtiring, competitive exam, MCAT, CCAT, BCAT, TCAT, CAT. Right? So, Subhadra, never push your child to become something. Accept they are everything for you. That's Santan Lakshmi, that comes. Santan Lakshmi is one another thing. Vidya Lakshmi removes the doubt because when I study the Upanishad, when I understand through my guru the essence of the Shastra, then I know at one point I also satisfy these 4 Mahavakyas, Aham Brahmasmi, Ayam Atma Brahma, Tattvam Asi, Prajnanam Brahma. But it may take time, but one day, definitely, that's the climax. It has to end. The end climax of the story is the 4 Chatur Mahavakyas. So, the Vidya, Avidya Sarupini. Avidya Sarupini is I'm connected only to my body. Vidya Lakshmi is my child. This instrument is given by me And through this instrument, I am doing so many things. But as a Maya, I'm making you think that you are doing. The problem is, because I am the doer, if you believe and understand that I am the doer and you are the witness, then you will understand that I have the immense capacity to do anything. But under ignorance, you are thinking that you are the doer. When you are the doer, you limit your capacity. But you don't limit your target. If you are limiting your target and satisfied with your capacity, there is no depression. There is no doubt. But the target is not limited, the capacity is doubted. There is an imbalance between the target and the action that causes depression, doubt. So doubt about my ability, doubt about my longevity. Suppose I die out of corona. Oh my God. Anumana, Shanka. She is very powerful. Such a power, she made us tremble even to touch the other person now. Such is the power. Because we never cared for the nature, the balance of nature. Now I'll show. You're scared to touch. So this is inner, Anumana. Then external one. It is better to live 1 second trusting the world than living for 100 years doubting. Just because some doubt, how does it happen? Because something happened in the past and you project that same graph and you expect the same thing to happen. And you have a doubt on that personality, on that place. Bad omens. A cat has come or a widow has come. By chance, by coincidence, your job was not fulfilled. That's it. I'm having a doubt on these two entities. External entities, I'm having a doubt. So, Vidya Lakshmi unifies that there is nothing called bad omen, good omen. Everything happens based on your karma only. So the external environment I'm giving you, she says, I'm giving you the external environment with such a personality, such a places, such incident based on your previous karma. This is Shastra. So when I know that, well, I don't have any doubt on any person. He has come with a purpose. Did you ever think of meeting me, Dr. Pavanil, when you are about 80-year-old, 10-year-old, 10 years back? Have you thought? No. Then how did it happen? At least that should remove our doubt on future. Everything is already taken care of. Not will be taken care of. Is already taken care of. My job is, like the pilot says before the flight goes, put on the seat belts, relax, and enjoy the flight. See you tomorrow.